There are two great days in personal life. The day we are born and the day we discover why. Be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be humble but not timid. Be proud but not arrogant. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Sometimes the best way to get someone's attention is you stop giving them yours. Two things prevent us from happiness: living in the past and observing others. Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us when we live. People who do not understand your silence will never understand your words. When you face difficult times, know that challenges are not sent to destroy you. They are sent to promote, increase, and strengthen you. Train yourself to let go of everything you fear to lose. Trust that every time something falls away, something beautiful is on the way. Instead of trying to correct someone's mistake, connect with your innate goodness, because affection brings perfection. Every moment is an opportunity to grow. What matters is the art of seeing it. To be able to sit still, working only on your body is not enough. You also have to settle your mind, emotions, and energy. Stop doubting yourself, work hard and make it happen. Love yourself more by saying no to things which are draining your energy and making you feel burdened. Action may not always bring happiness, but there is no happiness without action. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Your best life will not be found in comfort. It will be found in fighting for what you believe in. Challenges, failures, defeats, and ultimately progress are what make your life worthwhile. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Only you can change your life. No one can do it for you. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. Many of life failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Wishing is not enough. We must do. You learn more from failure than from success. Don't let it stop you. Failure builds character. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. The art of being happy is to be satisfied with what you have. Nothing in the world can bother you as much as your own mind.